Let me guess, you make just enough money to survive, but not enough to breathe. Your bank account looks like it's playing hide and seek, and every payday disappears faster than a free sample at Costco. But, here's what most people don't realize. You don't need a six-figure salary to become rich. You just need a six-figure strategy, and nobody's telling you what that actually looks like until now. Cause if your paycheck is struggling to keep up, you're going to want to watch this entire video, cause today I'm breaking down 10 quiet strategies to build wealth on a small salary. No lottery tickets, no sugar daddies, no scams. The fact of the matter is, most people think wealth is about how much you earn. But I'm sorry to break it to you, this is far from the truth. Wealth is about how much you keep, how smart you grow it, and how quietly you move while everyone else is trying to flex for strangers on the internet. If you've ever said, I'll start saving when I make more money. Seriously, that's like saying, I'll start exercising when I'm already fit. That mentality simply doesn't make sense. Strategy 1. Pay yourself like you owe you money. Alright, now I know that sounds weird, but let me ask you something. If you owed your landlord $300 and didn't pay, what would happen exactly? Eviction papers, passive-aggressive emails, and maybe a U-Haul. So, why is it that when it comes to you owing you money, you let it slide like it's no big deal? You've got to treat your future self like the most ruthless bill collector on earth, because here's the harsh truth most people never say out loud. Nobody's coming to build your wealth for you. Not your boss, not your parents, not the government. Only you can make the transfer from barely surviving to secretly thriving. And that starts with paying yourself first, no matter how small the amount. Let me try and give you an easy example so you can clearly understand. Let's say you make $2,500 a month before a single bill gets paid, before you even smell a pizza. You set up an automatic transfer of $50 to a high-yield savings or investment account. Now, I already see people in the comments saying things like, but $50 isn't going to make me rich. You're right, but that's not the point. The point is this. It rewires your brain to see wealth building as a non-negotiable, not a maybe someday if I feel like it situation. Most people pay rent, groceries, Netflix, Uber Eats, and then if there's anything left they might save. That's backwards. Flip it. Treat yourself like a bill. Pay you first. Even if it's $10 a week, even if it feels pointless, because here's the secret. Wealth doesn't start with money. It starts with habit. Every time you pay yourself first, you're telling your brain, hey, future me matters, and that mindset shift is what creates future millionaires. You're not broke because you don't make enough. You're broke because you don't keep enough. And that stops today. Now that you've set up a system to pay yourself like a non-negotiable expense, let's start by exposing the tiny financial leaks draining your paycheck every month, and you won't believe how sneaky they are. Alright, we've stopped the bleeding. Now let's make your small salary feel bigger without asking your boss for a raise. Strategy 3. Live like you're broke, even if you're not. Here's a spicy truth. Rich people look poor. Poor people try to look rich. Don't fall for the trap. You don't need Gucci slides, a leased Mercedes, or $60 brunches to prove you're doing okay. Want to build wealth on a small salary? Start by living like your salary is even smaller. This is called stealth living, and it's how people making $40,000 retire before people making $140,000. Living below your means is powerful, but what if you could expand your means without getting a second job? Let's talk hidden income. Strategy number 4. Build quiet income streams that don't ruin your life. Let's get one thing straight. You don't need to grind yourself into dust pulling double shifts, moonlighting as a barista, or working 14-hour days just to make extra money. That's hustle culture propaganda. You don't need a 9-to-5 and a 6-to-10. You need income streams that work in the background. The goal isn't to replace your job tomorrow. The goal is to slowly stack income layers so your small salary gets backup. We're talking selling digital products, flipping Facebook marketplace finds, freelance gigs you do once a week, stock photo licensing, writing faceless YouTube scripts. This is the quiet hustle. It's not glamorous. You're not going viral, but you're making $200 a month doing something most people never thought of. Here's what people get wrong. So, what happens when you start making a little extra? You invest, right? Wrong. First, you protect it. Strategy number 5, make your money untouchable. Alright. So, you're finally stacking a little cash from paying yourself first and building a quiet income stream. Congrats. Now, let's make sure you don't sabotage yourself because here's the brutal truth. Most people don't need a financial advisor. They need financial handcuffs. Here's a trick. Set up a second bank account at a completely different bank. No debit card, no app, just a digital vault. Every time you get paid, automate a transfer, even if it's $25. Alright, you've got stealth income and locked up savings, but sitting on cash won't build wealth. Time to make that money go to work, even if it's only $5. Let's talk investing for the not rich yet. Strategy number 6, invest even if it's $5 at a time. Alright, I'm just gonna say it. Let's cut the fluff. If you're waiting until you make more money to invest, you'll be waiting forever because guess what? People who make more money just find more expensive ways to stay broke. I'll invest when I have more money. Nope, you'll have more money when you invest. Use apps like Acorns, Fidelity, M1 Finance, Charles Schwab. No, it's not just for old people. Start small, $5 a week. That's it. So, now your money's working. But are you working smart? Let's flip the script and teach you how to use rich math, even if your paycheck is tiny. Strategy 7. Use the rich math formula. Let's be honest, you probably passed high school algebra by the grace of Google. But this is the only math that actually matters. Poor people do math based on income. Rich people do math based on impact. The broke budget breakdown. Let's say you make $3,000 a month. Here's how the average person budgets it. Rent, $1,200. Car payment, $500. Food, $600. Subscriptions, fun and just vibes, $600. Leftover savings, $100 if they're lucky. That's called poor math. Living at the edge of your income and hoping for a miracle. Okay, you've got the math, but even the smartest math won't save you if you're still falling for middle-class money traps that look smart but are secretly destroying your wealth. Let's expose them. Strategy 8. Kill the middle-class debt traps. This one's gonna sting a little, but somebody's gotta say it. Middle-class people don't go broke because of poverty. They go broke trying to look like they're not. And yeah, we're going there. Let's talk about the financial traps disguised as normal that are slowly bleeding you dry. Buy now, pay later. A scam. Car leases. Robbery. Credit card minimum payments. Highway theft in legal form. You don't need debt to live well. You need discipline to live free. Why are middle-class traps so dangerous? They're socially acceptable. Nobody questions you for financing a car, swiping for vacations, racking up monthly payments for lifestyle upgrades. So now you've cut the hidden chains. Good. But what if you could disappear? Financially not to hide but to protect your wealth, your peace, and your freedom. Let's go full stealth mode. Strategy 9. Practice stealth wealth. The art of being invisible and rich. Let's play a quick game. Picture a millionaire. You probably imagined a dude in designer shades sitting in a Lamborghini sipping sparkling water flown in from the Swiss Alps. Cool fantasy. Now, meet the real millionaire. Drives a 10-year-old car, wears $25 jeans from Costco, doesn't have Instagram, has 7 figures, quietly compounding in index funds. You walk past this person in Target and don't even blink because they don't look rich. That's the point. What is stealth wealth? Stealth wealth is the art of building serious money without making it anyone else's business. It's financial success that doesn't come with a spotlight, a flex, or a neon sign that screams, "I made it." Why? Because the loudest people in the room are usually compensating, not winning. Want to build wealth on a small salary? Don't let people know you're building wealth. Why? Because when no one expects you to have money, you don't feel pressure to spend it to prove it. No flex, no lifestyle creep. Just silent progress. Stealth wealth equals freedom. You're the person wearing a $12 hoodie and a $200,000 net worth. Bonus. It protects you from drama, leeches, bad advice, and financial comparison. Mindset shift. Rich isn't a look, it's a strategy. Want to know the real flex? Financial peace, freedom from debt, owning your time, not worrying about a $300 emergency, not needing to ask for time off. Let the influencers have their filters. You're building real freedom quietly. The goal isn't to impress strangers. The goal is to retire early, sleep peacefully, and have choices. Stealth wealth gives you all of that without the noise. It's about habits, systems, stealth, and patience when everyone else is rushing. So if your paycheck feels small, cool, your strategy just got huge. Discipline is great. Automation is greater because automation works when you're tired, broke, or distracted. You don't need to think your way to wealth. You just need to build the system and let it run. So, if you want the easiest, most foolproof way to grow money on a small salary, set it and forget it. Let robots do the heavy lifting while you live your life stress-free. Because wealth is built day by day, not paycheck to paycheck. If this opened your eyes even a little, comment the words, "I'm building wealth." We're watching, we're rooting for you. In fact, there are actually 15 things poor people don't know about money. Want to know what it is? We break it down step by step in complete detail. Just click the video on the screen now and we'll see you in the next